And we've been doing a giveaway of these little throttle rockers for quite a few videos now, and it's the same on this one again. If you would like to win one of these, just please enter below. All you have to do is very simple to enter. I've got a comment underneath pinned called Weekend Ride Roll Call. Just write your name in there, or write any comment in there, or whatever you'd like, and you have entered into the draw to win one of these. They're really easy to win. So there you go. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I really like these, and that's why it's part of our first giveaways, because they are quite cheap, but they are actually really quite useful. And I'll put the link below. You can buy them in multiple different places, and you can buy them in multiple different qualities as well. Okay, so I'm giving away the relatively cheap ones, but there are some that are coming that I'm going to do a follow-up review that should be better quality, but they do cost a little bit more. Okay, so stay tuned for that. But these are the ones I'm going to talk about now. They're easy to put on. I have snapped a couple. I will be honest, I have snapped a couple. So you got to be very careful when you apply them. But once they're on, they are really very handy to have. All right, there's so many times, especially on a V-twin, where your bike might give you some vibrations into your hand. You don't want to be gripping that throttle for too long, and then this allows your palm to just rest on it and give you that little relief. You don't have to like hold it. You can just have your palm on there and give your fingers a little break. So they're really good. Anything bad about them? There is one thing that I will mention, and that is that sometimes, depending on where you're riding, they can get in the way. All right, so I have had a few times when I've accidentally bumped my hand on them, and it's just sort of activated the throttle a tiny bit, and that's a slightly scary moment. So you do have to be very careful about when you use these. What you can do is you can turn them over away from your hand and have it sitting in a position where you're not really feeling it, to avoid that, and then turn them around again to have them in the right spot to use for like longer sections of road and that sort of thing. So yeah, that's something you need to be aware of. But apart from that, they are awesome. That's about it, everyone. So thank you for watching. Just a quick video of these awesome little things. Please subscribe, say hello, any comments or questions, write them below, and yeah, enter the giveaway. Really simple, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.